Welcome to Speak English with Muskan. What is your name?
My name is Rahul.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi. What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
When do you come back home?
I come back at 6 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, sometimes.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you cook your food?
Yes, I cook simple food.
What do you do on weekends?
To relax or visit friends.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I go every evening.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Where do you buy your clothes?
From the mall or market.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like chocolate.
Do you eat outside often? No, only sometimes. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea. How much is this shirt? It is 500 rupees.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the trial room is there.
Do you take sugar in tea?
Yes, just 1 spoon.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
Have you been to Mumbai?
No, not yet.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
Is your house far from here?
No, it's near.
Where is the nearest ATM?
Around the corner.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
Do you prefer the train or bus?
I prefer the train.
Have you traveled by airplane?
No, not yet.
What's your dream place to visit?
I want to visit London.
Do you like beaches or mountains?
I like mountains more.
What is the time?
It is 5 o'clock.
What is today's date?
It is the 1st of June.
What day is it today?
It's Thursday.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
What do you do in free time?
I listen to music.
Do you like animals? Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, every day.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots. Okay, I have to go now.
All right, it was nice talking to you.
Same here. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you liked this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. See you next time.